On June 16, 2015, the lives of the glorious Kim Jong-un and lovely Oprah Winfrey have changed forever.
This is our story. Donald Trump and I were on our way to the border, to build a wall like the one China has.
Hillary and I were going shopping for extra dried chicken and gravy.
As we were in the car, the seatbelts, we found them very unbearable. We would not let these straps confine us. We are strong and very important leaders, not restrained by any leaders. Therefore, we took them off.
On our way, we saw the horrid creatures. Yes, I am talking about Donald Trump and Kim Jong-un. Just remembering the sight of them copying our fashion style was disgusting, horrid, disgraceful. Not even those words can describe the sight.
Look, they're trying to wear seatbelts just like us. We have to stop them.
That was our story. Sadly, as we know, Hillary died after she flew out the car. Her dream of becoming the first female president was not fulfilled.
Donald Trump died. The world will never see his great leadership. I still believe he was just like me. It is truly a loss.
After the accident, I decided to get educated about unrestrained fatalities in Delaware. Delaware has cut its fatality rate by 45.3%.
86 less people have died.
Time slots of the most frequent unrestrained fatalities that occur in Delaware are
Saturday, midnight till 6 a.m.
Sunday, midnight till 6 a.m.
Friday, 6 p.m. till midnight.
Lastly, Wednesday, 6 p.m. till midnight.
The lowest fatality rates are on Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. But that doesn't matter if you don't wear your seatbelts. Wear your seatbelt, kids. Don't die.